Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I'm going to show you how I can create a scratch off sticker. I've noticed they're popular these days and I thought it'd be a fun idea. So I have here a piece of fairly heavy backing paper from a piece of vinyl. You do need something that is not going to stick to what you put on it. And the other thing that I have here is a fat reel of clear packing tape. So I'm just going to take a piece off of here. Now, if you have packing tape and you want to use it, fine. If you have clear plastic book covering film, you can use that. Just depends on what you have. So you take your piece of tape and you put it down onto the surface, trying to make sure that you don't wrinkle it. You want it nice and flat. So that's the general idea. Make it as flat as you can. Now I have a Tim Holtz blending tool, and I have this texture paste. Now I've got a gold texture paste because that's what I've got, but if you have any of the relatively cheap metallic acrylic paints, they are usually quite thick, so that will be fine. You want something that's not going to be too transparent, so experiment with what you have. And what I'm going to do is to put some of that on the blending tool and just to set it down like so. Now you need to make sure that this is dry before you go in with another layer if you need to. Okay, you don't always need to have two layers, but it will depend very much on the paint that you're using, if you do or you don't. So if you don't think it's going to be completely opaque, leave it to dry naturally for a while. Or if you're impatient like me and you're very careful, you can use a low-powered hairdryer. See if that's dry. Yeah, it's a touch dry. So, I'm not sure it's needed, but I'm going to go in with the second layer anyway, because that will most likely do the trick, and we won't be able to see through it, which is the whole object of the exercise. So again, going to give that a going over with the hairdryer. From a distance, however, although on camera it might look like I'm quite close, I'm actually about 12 inches away, something like that. So now effectively what I've got is a gold coloured sticker. So what I want to show you is that if you take a nail or some plastic, and this is the edge of the sticker here, you can scratch the paint off, which is what you want to be able to do. So you can either cut that manually, or you can put it through a die cut and cut it into whatever shapes you like. For ease of demonstration purposes at the moment, I'm just going to cut a strip. And I'm going to write on there. So this is what we would want to reveal. Now if I zoom in, so just peel it off, put it over there, and as you can see, you can't read what's behind it. But if I then scratch or use my nail, for example, I can uncover what's written underneath. So as I said, you can do those in all sorts of different shapes. If you want hearts, balloons, clouds, whatever, you can make them whatever shape you like. But that's how to do a version of a scratch away sticker. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments below, and if you're feeling really generous, you can buy me a cup of coffee using the link below. Take care now. Bye bye.